Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel MLDS AI Projects. Today I am going to explain you about a regression project which is Solar Global Horizontal Irradiance Prediction, which is a key factor in production of solar energy. This is the abstract of our project. Here we have used solar radiation and meteorological dataset which contains 18 features and 1,05,000 entries that is available from Kaggle. We have considered temperature, humidity and cloud cover and other factors from this dataset. We have implemented decision tree, random forest and support vector regressor for the prediction of GHI value. From the results, the random forest algorithm outperforms with a mean square of 1203 and R square of 0.98%, and other models with a mean square of 3893 and R square of 0.95. Comparing the results, random forest algorithms has been saved as a model and deployed into a user interface. Here we have further developed this project into a user interface where the customer can view the solar panels based on the GHI value and also use the filter option to set the range and view the solar panels that lie in the specified range. These are the objectives of our project, where developing a machine learning model that accurately predicts global horizontal irradiance value based on the temperature and cloud conditions, evaluating and optimizing different machine learning regression algorithms to identify the best performance model for GHI prediction. We have developed a user-friendly application for real-time GHI prediction where a customer can check the GHI value and buy the solar panels. We have also done the literature survey from IEEE website on GHI value prediction. These are the few papers that I have mentioned and other papers are in the description. The first paper are solar energy prediction using decision tree regressor. This paper aims to predict the output production of solar power plants in kilowatts, where decision tree regressor has been implemented to forecast the power generated by solar plant. This paper is published in 2021. And the second paper is solar panel power production using machine learning techniques. This paper aims to predict the photovoltaic panels using the historical data on PV power, weather data and weather forecast. And this paper is published in December 2023. And the third paper is evaluation of solar energy generation and radiation prediction using machine learning. This paper presents the machine learning methods review for the production of solar energy prediction and radiation. This paper is published in 2023. The basic flow diagram of our project is this, where initially solar energy data collection has been done and pre-processing where the null values have been checked and only considering the main features like temperature, weather conditions and cloud conditions. And EDA has been performed where different plottings have been done and training and splitting is done. Model selection where 3 algorithms have been implemented. Based on the prediction of GHI value, model evaluation is done and saving the model that accurately predicts GHI value and integrating with the UI. These are the basic system requirements that are required to build this project. Python 3.1 and above version, PyCharm IDE, and hardware requirements are 4 GB RAM. UI requirements are Flask framework, HTML and CSS. I will show you the collab. This is the collab. This is a pre-processing. These are the EDS. This is the basic user interface. This is a screenshot of the user interface. This is a home page where the information about the temperature, weather conditions and cloud conditions have to be mentioned. I'll show you the user interface. This is a developed project. Initially we have to create the database. So this is the database. Here the green ticks represent that they created. I'll run the project now. This is the home page of our project. Initially the customer login has to be done, then the store login. For the customer login we have to register first. Clicking on the register here, by giving the basic details like full name, by giving the credentials, here there is a condition, we have to use the alphanumerical digits for the password. Then the registration gets successful, then you have to log in using the same credentials. Here when you overall the password is given, then we have to log in. This is the home page of the customer. By passing the basic details, I am using a random values. When you submit, here you get details sent successfully to the store, where the store person logins using the default credentials as store. Here he can view the request made by the customers. All the requests and multiple user requests can be accepted, where he will get the request. Here your ID, customer name, email from which it has account created, and the date and time of the request, and the status as check GHI. When we click on this, the predicted GHI value is displayed and the status is changed to checked, where the customer logins again. In the same name, will get a user form. In the request section, the request made by the specific customer is displayed, where he has made only one request on the date 13/6/2024. So here the status gets checked and the predicted value is displayed. And here also you can use the check products, where you will be displayed with the solar panels. Here you can use the filter option. This is a GHI value where you want to filter. When the value of GHI is 361, you can choose the type of solar panel, where you can also find the GHI value. Based on the GHI value, you can buy the solar panels. Here I am keeping the max out. Okay, you can find multiple solar panel products here. Similarly, another request can be made. I am creating another user. Registration done. I am using the second user. I am logging in. I am making another request. Some random values. Similarly, the data is sent to the store. For here, when you check the request, is the second request ID on the customer name Madhu, date as 13/6 and the time is here. And here the status is not checked and the predicted value is not yet displayed because the store has not checked the GHI value. Here the check product gets disabled when the predicted value is displayed. Only then the check products are displayed. So let's get into the store login. Here you find the second request made by Madhu. Status has checked GHI. The status gets checked. It's a random value, so the numbers might be similar. So I'm logging the second credentials. Okay. Here you can check the request page where the status has been checked and the predicted value has been changed and the check products has been enabled, where you can view the products based on the GHI value you want. If you want any changes, you can mention them in the comment section. If you want us to build projects for you, you can fill the Google Forms, the link is available in the description, by basically entering the project name you want and the abstract if you have available and the basic other details like project deadline and the contact of yours like mobile number or email address. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can comment them below. Thank you.